This is incredible. Again, on Fox News Live, suddenly an UFO crossed the screen. It's unbelievable. It just happened 2 days ago, and let me show you. So this is the direct program from Fox News, and let me take off the sound.
Yes, so this is a massive...
If we move here, hold on, right here, pay attention to this. There are two objects actually. The first one, okay, but the second one, I'll show you both. So they are showing the map on the California fires, West Hills. Bam! Let me show you again. The first one, it's here, looks like an orb or something here, crossing. But this is not the special one. The special one comes from here. Now, bam! Did you spot it? Look again. This is the orb, and then, bam! I'm pausing it. Can you spot it here? Look at this thing. What the heck is this, man? Look, 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 look. Let me show you again. Closer. Here. Look at this. What is this, man? What is this? Real time on Fox. They didn't notice it, but we capture everything. This was a member of the community here that sent me. You can send me this kind of stuff on Discord or even through the comments here on YouTube. I have 3 more very interesting UFO sites to show you. Let me show you the next one, but first let's play again because this is awesome. Slowly here, it comes from here, very tiny, but then as it flows, hold on, there we go, there we go, bam! Look at this. Let's see the next one. So what I like in this one is that there's more footage. You can see the red thing here, and then it morphs into an orb. Look. Like this. You can see it's very reliable, and it crosses behind the palm tree. It goes like this, and then it morphs into kind of an orb, and it vanishes. Right here, bam, it vanished. You see? So it's a red one that morphs into an orb and then vanishes. But what I like in this one is that there was a different footage, and I will show you. So in this footage, the guy here, from a different perspective, record the same thing, so this validates that this was for real, no AI, no nothing. And you can see the same effect from a different house. The same effect, the orb. And then here he didn't record the vanished part, but you can see the same shape here. However, what is interesting in this one is that it says here, this is a SpaceX launch. Here is a shot from my backyard the other night. So the other guy claims it's an UFO. This guy claims it's a SpaceX launch. Which of these guys are right? I have no idea. But I don't track the SpaceX, all events of the SpaceX. So I leave that up to you. Tell me in the comments what you think this was. Now it's very, very interesting. One of the most interesting stuff about UFOs that I found online. And let me show you. More than words. So you can see here the lights, 2 lights, no? Then they become 3 lights and they turn around, very weird movement. Does this looks to you familiar? Look at it. It's starting again. 3 lights. turn around, and you might think, this is very, very interesting. But look at the whole footage now. This is unbelievable. So this is the whole footage. Look at it. How to cause local panic in your city. Don't do this at home, please. But look at this unbelievable thing that happened. This is the whole footage of what you've seen. Two balloons with different shapes, with 3 LED lights, and the effect, it's the zoomed part that I showed you. I'm showing you this for you to be aware of the fakes as well. So it's very, very hard right now distinguish between what is real, what is fake, and especially if we add AI into the equation, it becomes even more difficult. We are here to show you the truth, what we believe that it's true or not. The one from Fox, it's from a television. Yes, it can be something we can say that it can be something prepared by the television itself, much unlikely, and I believe that it was for real and it was caught by camera. Is it an UFO, an alien? Is it something made by humans? I leave that to you as well. All the hypotheses are getting more and more stronger in the manual human side of all these events. That doesn't mean that aliens are not here or didn't visit us, or those sites that we had in the past and even today, that some of them are not aliens. Be open-minded, we will keep exploring this topic. And of course, this is very important.
It is. While we were dealing with a terrorist attack in New Orleans, we had drones being flown over our nuclear reactors in Louisiana. And we brought that attention to the FAA. We've been asking the FAA to give these states the ability to mitigate these drones, and it's sitting on some bureaucrat's desk. And that's real.
Nobody knows. They don't want to talk about it. Go ahead, Governor, you're going to say?
I was just going to say we have drones in Wyoming flying over our infrastructure as well. And it's incredibly frustrating that we not only have no way of knowing what it is, but nobody knows how to deal with them.
They don't want to talk about it, and nobody knows why. They don't want to talk about it. That could be us sending drones. I hope that's the case, us doing it and doing research, and maybe they don't want to talk about it from that standpoint. I hope it's not an enemy, but we're going to find out on the 21st, the day after. You have to give me a little time for the inauguration, but shortly thereafter, we'll give you a report on it. We'll tell you exactly what it is. They know, and it's very strange that they aren't talking about it.
Bam! Let's see what he brings to us.